All right, guys, here we go. So we're gonna be doing some plastic welding today. This is a Husqvarna carburetor shroud. This fin right here has broken off. Something grabbed it and just pulled it off, and he lost the cover. So we have a new cover, new air filter. We're gonna take we got some snips here. We have our plastic welder. All this does is heat up this little piece of rod here, or just a piece of wire, and you embed that into the plastic. Hey. So you do that, and then I got.
This buddy's jet ski?
Yeah. And I got this plastic welder here. And all we're gonna do is it covers it up. All my customers just showed up. Huh?
You messing with this?
Yep. Right here in a few.
Oh yeah? Hell yeah.
Doing a video right now.
Doing what?
Doing a video. But all we're gonna do is we're gonna take this.
Oh, my bad.
Hey, you're fine. It always helps to plug it in. We're gonna take this and embed it into this piece of plastic here. I don't know. Let's see. Let that cool down. It should pop right out. Let's see here. We're gonna use the second one. And you gotta hold it there for a few seconds in order to let it cool down. Let's see. So the bottom there is not taking effect. So what we're gonna do.
Answer it.
So there we have this one that fell out. So we'll deal with that here in a second. I'm gonna grab some other pieces. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld this back. We're gonna nip these off and weld this whole piece back on there. All right, hey guys, welcome back. Sorry, I didn't realize that my phone overheated, so I had to go inside and put it in the fridge. But I already finished up plastic welding this back on. Let me nip this a little bit more. So what I did is I have a zip tie here. This is the correct type of plastic, it so happens to be. I usually use these zip ties because I just do simple repair. I'm not trying to make it look super fancy. Not only that, it's a super complex shape and a very thin section that I have to plastic weld back. All I did is I heated up my gun and I stuck my zip tie. It's just like the perfect size that this can fit inside there, and I can kind of feed it through as it's melting, and I can move it around on here and get it all put in place. But so I'm gonna grab my, oh, that was sitting right here. Where did I set it? Oh, there it is. I'm gonna put this in there. I'm gonna put it in there like that. No matter which way you put them first. And there we go. That's a nice, strong fit. It ain't going anywhere. All that, and it ain't going anywhere. So that's the end of the plastic welding. Sorry I didn't film that last bit there. It's my camera got overheated. Well, my phone got overheated. But yeah, y'all have a good one. Thanks. Bye. Or yeah.